Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to remove rust using our Metal Rescue Rust Remover Gel in 3 easy steps. Let's get started. Okay, that's one rusty ashtray. Metal Rescue Gel is safe to use on any surface because it's made with citric acid, not a caustic acid. That being said, we suggest you wear gloves when using it. Our gel is formulated to cling to any metal surface to remove that rust. Alright, step 1, apply. Make sure your rusty surface is clean of any dirt or grime before applying. Step 2, to keep gel from drying, wrap after applying. Let it sit for 20 minutes to an hour and then check it. If the rust is gone, move on to step 3, which is remove it. You can remove the rust with a damp cloth or towel. It's that easy. Now what you're left with is a clean surface that you can do whatever you need to do, whether it be painting or coating it to protect the rust from coming back. That's it. I told you it was easy. Want some? I bet you do. Visit our website to find a store near you. Metal Rescue Rust Remover Gel. Your clean, safe, and easy solution to removing rust, wherever it is.